Hello guys, welcome to another videos. Stuff with some coolest gadgets. In today's video, we will be sharing some amazing gadgets. You can buy these gadgets, but before continuing further, kindly hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from us. Let's continue with our video. Motorized Tie Rack. Anyone who owns more than a few neckties has already faced the problem of how to keep them organized and ready to wear. This motorized tie and belt rack can hold up to 72 ties and 8 belts. The device runs on batteries and installs over any standard closet rod in a few minutes. Once you're done, hang the ties and use 2 buttons to make that lower part rotate in either direction. The built-in LED will help you to find the needed tie even quicker. Could anyone invent something similar for the socks? Nitecore NTO10 Keychain Multi-Tool. This is the multi-tool. We've been waiting for it's a bottle opener. Aside from that, there's a pry to get rid of nails and staples, but it may also double as a flathead driver or a cutter. In addition, there's a hex holder in the middle with a Phillips crosshead bit for quick fixes on the go. BriksMax Lite for Lego. This one is a truly iconic piece of tech for all of us who grew up on the Back to the Future movies and who were in love with Lego. This Back to the Future car building set is designed especially for adults looking for their next immersive project. The famous gold doors open just like in the movies, and the tires fold down for flight mode. That's how a meditation for the geeks looks like, but there's still something missing. Let's add some light with this LED lighting kit. It contains dot lights, expansion boards connecting cables, battery holder, and adhesive squares. You'll need to upgrade your little DeLorean. Don't worry, there's also a step-by-step instruction inside. FlexiSpot desk bike. This standing desk exercise bike is a great solution for that. Its hands-free platform is your chance to build your cycling muscles and burn more calories while you're typing. Physical exercise and healthy food are the best way to get healthier. And the desk exercise bike is the key to the first point. The bike works smoothly and the range of resistance is good for using. While working, solid base and adjustable seat, customize the device and guarantee your safety during so-called workouts. The desk surface is large enough to accommodate a laptop, notebooks, and your mobile phone. The entire unit doesn't move around when cycling and couldn't be easier to use. Kindle Scribe Essentials Bundle. This one's a perfect tool for those who love to read, to write, and to work with comfort. Amazon Kindle Scribe larger reader boasts an e-ink display ideal for reading, and included pen allows you to make notes, add them to your Word and PDF documents on the go, and even send docs to your Kindle Scribe directly from Word. When you use your computer, additionally, the pen magnetically attaches to the side of the Scribe, so you'd never lose it. So handy. Mordeco Revov Tray Box. This is an organizer for your desk. You might end up using it as a fidget toy. See, this magnetic rotatable lid is so well balanced that you can spin it forever, and aside from that, this thing provides plenty of compartments for your everyday essentials: keys, wallet, glasses, and earphones. Feel free to customize your box using the included removal dividers. It's fully adjustable, both color options look great, so it's going to get tough. Divoom TimeBox Bluetooth Speaker. Divoom's TimeBox Bluetooth speaker proves that pixel art can be used to decorate any room. It features a fairly large screen with 121 bright LEDs. This brings you some colorful animations and glanceable info, like the weather or your notifications. The speaker is provided with a mobile app that offers a ton of customization options. You can display any image from a large gallery or even draw your own one since it's pixel art. There are some mini games as well. This speaker also cares a lot about your sleep. That's how a speaker turns into a personal assistant. Somica RGB USB Condenser Mic. Do you spend most of your time participating in video conferences? You need a proper mic. This one bought. Somica is equipped with a 16mm diaphragm capsule to deliver richer and crystal clear audios. The built-in noise reduction gets rid of unwanted sounds. There are 3 reverb modes to meet your recording needs, which means you can also use the product when live streaming, gaming, and so on. In addition, it works right out of the box. No software to install, just plug and play whether you're using a PC, laptop, or just smartphone. Finally, those 30 light beds look fancy. As for me, I'm in love with that new button on the front. Nixie Star Nixie 2 Clock. Nothing beats the classics. This is an authentic Nixie 2 clock, but with some modern features. So the first thing you'll notice are those 4 Nixie tubes with numbers. You can configure a bunch of different ways to display date and time, motion activation, delay. You can even customize how the time changes. Blue lights under tubes can be turned on and off. Nice. We hope that you have enjoyed our video. Kindly give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.